Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2015 Dodge Journey. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as heated steering wheel, heated door mirrors, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.